Would you believe me if I told you that I have had these bowls for 8 years? 8 years of regular use. And I can't really tell that I have used them for that many years. I actually had to look up my order for them. So these are the Cuisinart stainless steel mixing bowls, and I bought them way back when, 8 years ago, because I wanted a solid set of mixing bowls that I knew not only wouldn't leach anything questionable into my food, but that I could use and abuse. These toppers were actually kind of a side benefit, and I use them all the time too, and I am shocked at how well these have lasted. We put all of it in the dishwasher constantly, and we use it all the time. Let's get into it. So your set comes with 3 mixing bowls. I use these for everything. I will make salads in them. I will store things in them to take to potlucks. I will mix eggs, dough, anything that you need a bowl for, here you go. And then when you want to store any leftovers, you just put the lid on and push it down, and it's an extremely airtight lid, holds on, doesn't leak. Again, this lid is 8 years old. I'm shocked myself because I didn't realize quite how old these lids were, and they really stood up. I've actually, on other products, had to replace the plastic lids over time, but these are still good. So each one has its own lid. Now I also take these when I go camping because you can't hurt them, you can't do anything. This is completely solid and sturdy, can't really abuse it. Store anything in the fridge or freezer, it can take it all. It's very durable, high quality, food grade stainless steel, and I cannot say enough good things about this product. I know there's not too much to show here, but these are the 3. And as you saw, the lids going on is pretty easy to pull them off. You do have to kind of yank them a little bit because they are good and stuck on there. So the lids here actually have these rings in them, and that's what really keeps it sealed and airtight, and it's why it's a little hard to yank off. And then you pull up on these 2 little edges here. I can also get my fingers in under here if I want to, but why would I try to do that when there's these great little handholds? And it just comes right off. Last one. I also love that since they're nesting bowls, they're very easy to store. I just put them together, and I really do just tuck these right behind them, and that's it. That's how it goes in my cupboard. Use them every day. Actually had to pull this one out of the dishwasher to do this video. Get these bowls. You will be so happy with them. Cuisinart stainless steel mixing bowls.